Hello everybody, very good afternoon to all of you. This is a grammar class for standard 3 students. You may notice this is the standard 3 grammar books, and today we will read about unit 5, nouns singular and plural. Nouns singular and plurals. So students, today we have a great discussion upon this chapter. I already make a hard copy according to this chapter, so we will read through this hard copy. Dear students, first you may all know about what is noun, and according to the counting, there are two types of nouns: countable and non-countable. And here, according to their counting numbers, nouns may be two types: singular and plural. Singular मतलब single, plural मतलब single, more than single. That means when a noun is one in number, then it is called singular noun, and when a noun is more than one in number, then it is called plural noun. Dear students, sometimes we use singular nouns and sometimes we use plural nouns. And every singular noun has a plural form, but in this class we know about what are the techniques or ways to change singular nouns into plural forms. So the students, there are here we discuss about 10 ways to for changing singular noun to plural noun. So come to our first point. Some plural nouns are usually formed by adding s. Some plural nouns are usually formed by adding s. Like newspaper, in their plural form we add s, newspapers. Biscuit, biscuits. Doll, dolls. Normally we add s to form a plural noun. Number 2, nouns ending in s, x, ch, th, double s and sh form plural by adding es. When any noun ends in s, x, ch, th, sh, then we add es to form their plural form. Like fox, x is the ending letter, so we add es, foxes. Bench, ch is the ending letter, so we add benches. Lens, s is the ending letter, so we add lenses. Dish, sh, so we add es, dishes. Cloth, th, so we add clothes. But remember one thing, if ch sounds like cow, then we only add s. Like stomach, stopach, stomach. Ch sounds like cow, so we add only s, stomachs. Number 3, nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant form plurals by changing y into is. Nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant, that means ending letter is y, but and its before letter is maybe a consonant. So we convert y into is. We remove y and add ies. Like baby, y is the ending letter and before y b, that means consonant. So we form it like this: BABIES, babies. Y को ies में बदलते हैं. City, y before this t is a consonant, so cities, CITI. Yes, like this other words you may make. Number 4, nouns ending in y preceded by a vowel form plurals by adding s. Nouns ending in Y but preceded by a vowel, that means A, E, I, O, U. When we form it in plural form, we only use S. Ray, rage, boy, boys, etc. Toy, toys, like this. Some nouns have the same singular and plural form, like specially uncountable nouns like sheep, sheep, deer, deer, beer, beer, etc. Number 6. Some nouns don't get an S or ES to form their plural. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो कि S और ES ऐड नहीं करते हैं अपने साथ, like don't get any S or ES to form their plural form, but they directly change the irregular forms. Goose, plural form of goose is geese. Mouse, mice. Child, children. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Like this, some nouns irregularly change their plural forms. Number 7. Some nouns ending in O change into plural by adding S. Some nouns ending in O, they are changed into plural forms by adding S. Radio, radios. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Some nouns ending in O, they add S with the at their plural form. Number 8. Some nouns ending in O are formed by adding ES. कुछ नाउन ऐसे होता है जो O से एंड होता है बट वो अपने साथ ES लेते हैं प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए, लाइक potato, potatoes, buffalo, buffaloes, hero, heroes. Sometimes we may notice that O is ending and before this letter there is a consonant and before this letter there is a vowel also. Here. That means two-sided are before O there may be a consonant and a vowel. Sometimes we use these methods to form plurals adding ES. Hero, heroes, buffalo, buffaloes, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, like this. Mango, mangoes. Number 9. Some nouns ending in F or FE are formed into plurals by changing F or FE to VES. अगर एंडिंग में F है या FE है तो हम इस F और FE को कन्वर्ट करते हैं VES में प्लूरल फॉर्म में. calf, calves, wife, wives, loaf, loaves, leaf, leaves, knife, knives, etc. Number 10. Some nouns ending in F can be formed into plurals by adding S as well. Some nouns ending in F but we only add S to change into plural forms, like roof, roofs, hoof, hoofs, safe, safes, etc. So students, these are the ways or techniques to change singular noun into plural nouns. I will I already write out in this hard